Transblue HVAC-R. When it comes to HVAC-R projects and commercial HVAC-R maintenance, Transblue is the premier HVAC-R provider in North America. With offices located throughout the U.S., no site is too far or project too small. When looking at your HVAC-R, Transblue takes a holistic approach to what your HVAC-R needs are. We look to save money for our clients while providing quality projects and maintenance that sustain your location temperatures and enhance your customer experience. Maintenance of your existing HVAC-R is the most cost-effective way to manage your HVAC-R expense. Maintenance of your HVAC-R consists of regular, scheduled filter changes and preventative maintenance services. Our maintenance programs should be implemented on a monthly or quarterly basis. Doing anything less than that can put your units at risk. Preventative maintenance will reduce the number of large unit breakdowns and will enable our team of highly skilled technicians to identify problems with your units before your units break down. Our HVAC-R on-demand team are available 24/7, 365 to handle any emergency or repair that may come up night or day. Having experienced technicians at your fingertips for all your locations will have your managers at ease and your locations comfortable. We are confident that our HVAC-R maintenance programs will save you and your stakeholders tens of thousands of dollars by consolidating your HVAC-R services with Transblue. Our national HVAC-R maintenance programs save brands just like yours up to 21% annually when broadcast across your portfolio. HVAC-R design construction services are available for new installations and capital projects. Our refrigeration services go hand in hand with our HVAC services. Your cold product is crucial to your location's profitability, and we understand how quickly refrigeration needs must be handled. By bundling your HVAC and refrigeration, your brand will be in a safe place with Transblue. At Transblue, we prefer to educate our clients and save them as much money as possible by instituting proficient HVAC-R maintenance and construction programs. If you are looking for competitive, on-time, on-budget, reliable HVAC-R service, contact Transblue today and initiate a complete HVAC-R consultation. Visit our website at www.transbluefm.com. Email us at info@transbluefm.com. Call us at 800-658-7601.